Hey guys, welcome to the Roller Coaster Project. David here, and this time we're working on a segment we call block breaks. Now this won't be going away from our roller coaster machining and design videos. This is just some in-between videos as we work on the big model and of course the mini models that I've kind of hinted at online. In this video, for our first block break, we're going to be making an aluminum mold for my friend out of Atlanta. This friend makes a cartoon character, and if you're familiar with Atlanta, they have Free Art Fridays, and his cartoon character is the Crazy Monkey Trucker. And if you want to follow him on Instagram, you can see below, it's ooh-ooh-ah-ah. And for this one, he wanted to cast his cartoon character out of urethane, or maybe in the future, say injection molded plastic. This is our first attempt at making a really good mold using Fusion 360. We're going to go through some of the CAD, a little bit of the CAM, and then of course we're going to go over machining it. These are some of the finer end mills that I've ever had to use, and I did mess up a few times, and of course I documented it all. And I also mounted a GoPro in a pretty cool area so pieces are flying at it constantly. For our block breaks, they will be just various machining or different products. It could be anything, really. It doesn't necessarily have to be roller coaster related, and that's the idea of a block break. It's supposed to be a transition to different segments. But we're still going to be designing roller coasters, and we're still going to go over how those are built, how I'm making it, and of course, some point we will test it. Please like this video and subscribe. Don't forget to follow along on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook.